Hello guys, I'm Khalil Siddiqui, more with 10 years experience in motion graphic design. So, in this course, I want to show you how to create sci-fi projects. Like what? How to create a sci-fi screen in live action footage. Okay, so how to create a sci-fi screen from your mobile. Get my mobile? Start. So, let's go to third part. In third part, how to create Iron Man's sci-fi VFX. Like create a screen. Let's go to move your eyes to right side and move your eyes to left side and center of the camera. So guys, thanks for watching. I will be happy to have you in this course. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.
So guys, for this course, if you need these project files like different screen HUD sci-fi elements, take a look. There's a lot of different presets. Play, so you can use Iron Man sci-fi elements motion design. So you must go to my Patreon account, my page, and just After Effects, click on shop, then click on Sci-Fi Masterclass course. So in $5 you can support me and you can find these all packages: sci-fi sound effects, practice footage, HUD presets, full HD tutorials. So I will be happy to have you in this course. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, what's up? Khalid Siddiqui here for After Effects course. So, guys, today I want to show you how to create Iron Man VFX scene by using HUD sci-fi effects on your live action footage. Let's start. So, this is my sample video, and now I need to make more scale up the size. By selecting the footage, press S. To scale up the size, just set the face center of the screen. Just I need the face. Good. Okay. Before continue my color correction to make dark, I need to track my eyes. Take a look. I need to track my eyes. I have it two ways. Right click. The first one is select the video and go to workspace, select the motion tracking, and now select track motion. So let's see. There is the track point. Select, move up, and sit there. So, and now I need to track my eyes like this. Set the track point and start. Start. Not bad. Start. Not bad. Start. Take a look. The tracking sometimes going to miss, but I don't need to fill here. Track, track, track. Good. Okay, and now track forward and backward. Finish. So if you need to solve this problem because the tracking is after 1 second, so after 2 seconds, the track point goes wrong. So select the null object and press page down, move like this. Okay, this may take a little bit times to control my track point by moving frame by frame. So finish. And now play. Good. Create a new null object and go to tracker, edit target, select null one. Okay. Then click apply X and Y. Okay. So my tracking is finished. And now time to make darker. Change your workspace to effects and click on effects and presets right here, curves. Double click, make little bit darker, and then right tint. Double click, make little bit grayscale like this. Okay. And now right here, scene converter, double click, change to log to log, and make darker. Make little bit brighter the face. Okay guys, and now I need to use black solid by pressing Ctrl+Y on keyboard. Right here, face mask, enter, turn off your solid and select the pen tool. And now I need to make mask this place. Control your mask like this, control, and control like this. Okay guys, so, and now time to invert, select your mask, press M, change to subtract, press M, make fader like this, make fader, and change mask expansion. Okay, everything is looking good. And now go back to project, double click, so select HUD. HUD mean head up display. So expand, select the final HUD, top of the layers, like this. And then select right click, make transform fit to comp. Okay guys, and now I need to move anchor point of this composition to center of the target. But how to do this? First, press S, scale up the size, and select the anchor point, move anchor point to center right there, and press V to move up here, and then select, press F4, parent link, final HUD, comp to null object. So, and now I need to render. Press space and wait for the final result. Okay guys, let's see the final result. Play now. Not bad, but I need to change position keyframes of these two different colors of the green and the red. Take a look. When I see to right side, the green must become faster, and when I see or when I look to left side, this red screen must become faster. How to do this? Take a look. I need to set there and double click. So let's find, press U. Let's turn off. Let's play now. Yeah. Move there and go back to your final count. Take a look. Play. When I say to right side, count. So, and now when I say to left side, there, I need to animate this red design. Go back to final HUD and let's see. First, second, let's press U and select all keyframes and set here. So I need to move up, press A for anchor point, move up there, and now play again. Yeah. Let's go back to your final footage and let's play again first. And there is this second. Go back to final HUD, press U, sit there and move, press A for anchor point, move a little bit down there, go back to final footage, and let's move more near. Good. So let's play. Not bad. Okay guys, I need to make more, scale up the size. Perfect. Let's play again. Let's see the final result. Take a look to my eyes, looking to right side for the green screen and looking to left side for the red screen design and looking to the camera lens. Everything is going normal. So if you need to make more brighter for the face, go back to face mask, first control the expansion, make more brighter, and then select the mask, make a little bit more darker and darker, like this, make more darker like this. You take a look, make control the fader and control the expansion, make a little bit more fader, make expansion like this. So select your footage, go back to effect control the tint, so let's play again. Select again the mask path, select one point, move it down. Let's play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create Iron Man sci-fi VFX scene in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching.